everyone, welcome back to your own history learning channel, Our Past by Priya Jha. Whenever we learn history, we often come to the dates which are written in the form of AD, BC, BCE, and CE, and we often tend to confuse between this system of dating, and especially when we are new in this field. So this is a very short video which is sufficient to make you clear about these terms, and I hope that after watching this video you will have a clear picture of this dating system and you will never get confused in future whenever you will see these dates anywhere or will learn about these dates while learning any history topic. So what are the terms AD and BC? Let's see. Friends, we must have heard that AD means after death, and while we are students, we are small children, we think that AD is taken as after death and we do not go in details. But AD means Anno Domini. What is Anno Domini? And BC, which means before Christ. What are these things? Well, the terms are used to label years in the Julian and Gregorian calendars. Anno Domini, it is a medieval Latin word which means in the year of the Lord, and it is often presented using our Lord. So it can be said as in the year of our Lord, that is AD. And BC, as it's clear, before Christ. So when BC is seen as before Christ, AD is often confused as after death. But it's not so. So please remember, AD means Anno Domini, which is a Latin word having meaning in the year of the Lord or in the year of our Lord. This calendar era is based on the traditionally reckoned year of the conception or birth of Jesus, with AD counting years from the start of this epoch and BC denoting years before the start of the era. There is no zero year in this scheme, so the year AD1 immediately follows the year 1 BC. But I am sure that you are still confused with these terms. So, here you can see a statue of Jesus Christ. Here is a chart on the screen. Please see it carefully and understand it carefully. As I said you, 1 BC is followed by 180. There is nothing like zero year here. It is 1 BC, which is immediately followed by 180. So, this part, when it is taken as the birth of Christ, all the years lying before this particular period is termed as BC or before Christ, and all the years after the life of Jesus Christ are taken as Anno Domini, not after death. Please do not get confused. It's not after death. It's Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. So, all the years lying before this particular period are taken as BC or before Christ, and all the years after this are taken as AD or after Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord. But these terms, as you can see, are related to the birth of Christ or related with the religion of Christianity. The words to be acceptable more by the public are introduced BCE and CE. BCE, which means before Common Era, and CE, which means Common Era. The dates are same, but this is also a widely acceptable system of dating. Now, how the things are dated? When we talk about 6th century BC or 5th century BC or 540 BC, for example, it means 540 years before Christ. And when we talk about 1200 AD, it means 1200 years in the name of the Lord, or 1200 AD, commonly taken as 1200 CE or Common Era. Okay, so this is the BC and AD timeline, and I hope with the help of this timeline you must have clearly understood what are BCs and what are AD. Never take AD as after death. Why it should not be taken as after death? Let me explain you. Let's assume that Christ got birth in this period and the life of the Christ roughly 33 years. Okay. So if AD will be taken as after death, then we will have no confusion regarding BC because these are the same years before Christ. And when we talk about AD, that is after death, so it means after the death of the Christ, the dating system will start. Then what about the vacuum created by the age of Jesus Christ, that is 33 years? There is no system of dating in these 33 years. So never get confused with AD as after death, as it is taken as Anno Domini or in the year of our Lord. So friends, we can see that English follows Latin usage by placing the AD abbreviation before the year number, like AD 2021 or AD 1450. So AD is also always placed before the number, and BC is placed after the year number, like 1900 BC or 450 BC. Because BC is the English abbreviation for before Christ, it is sometimes incorrectly concluded that AD means after death, that after the death of Jesus. But we have no records of those 33 years. Should it be taken in BC or should it be taken in AD? So we should never get confused by AD as after death, as it is Anno Domini. Now, what are CE and BC? These are terminologies that is viewed by some as being more neutral and inclusive of non-Christian people. And CE means current or common era, and BCE means before common era or before current era, and these are equivalent to BC and AD. So this is the system of dating, and I hope you must have understood this system. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment if you want me to make any video on any topic related to Indian history. Share this video with all the friends who get confused with this dating system and find it boring to understand. And please subscribe to my channel to get more such videos.